This is a Mitsubishi CA-200 Moisturemeter and a VA-230 Vaporizer. Titration, I guess that's this piece, and then the Vaporizer up on top. Something was about Carl Fisher done this, but I don't know, because what I read, it was something about the method. But let me turn this around and get you some better part numbers here. So, water vaporizer VA-230 E5M10943, and then this one Moisturemeter CA-200 E1M22912. Quick look at the back. USB port. Appears to be a firewire, maybe? Yeah, maybe it's a USB. Fuse, pipe heater, that's in the back. Flip this back around. I'm going to kick this bottom one on first, the power button right here. And we'll look at the screen. Maybe see something there. BIOS number was there. And it comes up and responds to all that. There is some staining on here. Do the best just to wipe it down. Maybe get it come off with some alcohol or something. I don't know. But this all seems to okay, I guess I can function. And then settings and whatever. I think it's going back around there. Then you can switch channels. I mean, all this stuff seems to work. That works. Didn't try printing. That doesn't seem to do anything. Like I said, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to show you that this will go through the menu system and everything. Hit escape, back to that menu. Then I can flip this thing on. And this must be some type of a heater because this is 35C, 35.4. That counts up pretty quickly. And it doesn't seem to do anything. Don't know what that does. This comes up. But that is the unit. I'm not really sure else what to show you. If you wanted me to do anything, I can. Currently being fed by two D-cords. It's kind of D-cord and D-cord. But it looks like this thing is set up to have a jumper, but we don't have the wires for that. But you can see the temperature climbing. I don't want to let this thing go just in case it's supposed to have water or something in there. It's got this piece on here. It looks like some type of a filter. But that's the unit. Came out of a pharmaceutical company's storage facility, so should be good to go. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Thank you.